Hello everyone, welcome back to our math channel Math Bridges Fun with Math. In this video, we will learn how to check whether the given number is prime or not. We will see stepwise how to identify the numbers to be prime. Let's get into the video. To check whether a number is prime or not, first we will see stepwise how to go on. Stepwise we will learn, then we will see few examples how to do. Let's consider number 97. Now we have to check it's a prime number or not. First step, we have to identify the square number which is closer to this. Square number means 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36, 7 7s are 49. So the 7 square is a square number. Now 97 means 9 9s are 81, 10 10s are 100. So 9 we have to consider or 10. Always remember we have to consider the number which is greater than this, not less than 97. So 9 9s are 81 we should not consider. So we will consider 10 square. That's the first step. Step 1. Square number we are considering, that is 10 10s are 100 means 10 square. Here we will consider only 10. First you write the square number and we will consider only 10. The next step is we will write all the prime numbers which are less than 10. So less than 10, what are the prime numbers? It is 2, 3, 5 and 7. And the next step, final step is 97. This prime number is 2, 3, 5, 7. We have to check whether it is divisible by these prime numbers or not. 97 is divisible by 2, 3, 5 and 7 or not. We should check. If they are divisible by these numbers, 97 is a prime. If not, it is not a prime number. First we will check with 2. The divisibility rule for 2 is ones place should be even number, but here it's not an even number, so it's not divisible. 97 is not divisible by 2. Now divisibility rule for 3. Add these two numbers, sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. 9 plus 7, 16. So it's not divisible. 3 is also not divisible by 97. Next 5. What is the divisibility rule for 5? Ones place should be either 0 or 5. It's not there. So 97 is not divisible by 5 also. Let's check with 7. 7 ones are 7. 2 carry over. So 27 means it will not go in 7 table. So 97 is not divisible by 7 also. That means we can make out now 97 to be as a prime number. If at all with any one number it's not divisible, then 97 is not a prime number. We can consider it to be as a composite number. But here it's divisible by all the numbers. Let's take one more example now. We will do it directly without steps. 123. As discussed, we will find the square number for 123. Closer number. 10 10s are 100, 11 11s are 121, 12 12s are 144. So 11 11s are 121, it will be less than 123. So we will take 12 square. 12 12s are 144. That means we will consider only 12. And the next step is we will write all the prime numbers which are less than 12. What are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11 are the prime numbers less than this 12. Next step, final step. We will check whether 123 is divisible by this prime numbers or not. Check with 2 first. See the ones place, it's not even, so it's not divisible by 2. Now coming to 3, sum of all the digits, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6. 6 is divisible by 3, 3 2s are 6, isn't it? So it is divisible 3. That means it is not a prime number. Now no need to check with 5, 7 and 11. Here itself we got 123 is divisible by 3. Therefore 123 is not a prime number. Means it can be a composite number. It's very easy, right? Instead of checking with all the numbers, with one number if you are getting, you can make out whether it is prime or not. Let's consider one more example. We'll take 131, nearest square number. 11 11s are 121, 12 12s are 144. 121 we can't take, it's less than 131. So we will take 12 square, which is equals to 12. Next step, second step is write the prime numbers less than 12. There are 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. The final step, we will check whether 131 is divisible by 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11 using divisibility rules. 2. Starting with 2. Ones place, it's not even number. 0, either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, not there. So it's not divisible. 3. Sum of these numbers. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 is not divisible by 3. So it's ruled out. 131 is not divisible by 3. Now 5. Ones place should be either 0 or 5. Not there. So it's not divisible by 5 too also. Now 7. 7 also you can check. 7 ones are 7. So how much is remaining? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this is also it's not divisible. So ruled out. 11 also it's not divisible. You can check. 11 ones are 11. 2 carry over. It will not go. So it did not satisfy, means 131 is not divisible by any of these numbers. So 131 is a prime number. Hope it will be very easy method for you to find out. Now let's consider a little bigger number. We'll consider 627. Here you can see 25. 25 is 625. So what we can consider next number? 26 we can consider now. So 26 square, that means we'll be getting the number to be as 26. Next step, prime numbers less than 26 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and 23. We have to check with all these numbers. So the final step, 627, checking with all the prime numbers less than 26. First step with 2. Ones place is 7, so it's not divisible. 3. Add this, 6 plus 2, 6, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 is divisible by 3, isn't it? So 627 is not a prime number, means it's a composite number. Now no need of checking with any of these numbers. You can leave like that. You can try with any of the number. It may be a 3-digit, 4-digit or 5-digit also. You can apply this method and you can find whether the given number is prime or not. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe to our channel Math Bridges Fun with Math, and do share it with your friends. Thank you everyone.